Good morning, everyone. I wanted to do a introduction video for you for this class. This is Mat-143, which is quantitative literacy, and it's a late start class. That means that it is going to be 12 weeks. It's going to start on February 5th. And it's all going to be online. I'm going to show you guys kind of what the course settings are going to look like. And then some of you are also going to be taking the co-requisite class with this class. So if you are also signed up for Mat-143-50LS, that's the late start class for that as well. And the co-requisite is just kind of a course that is going to help you with this class. So some of you will have to take the co-req and some of you aren't going to be taking it. It kind of depends on your GPA. And so if your GPA falls below a certain level, then you have to take the co-requisite course, which is fine. And like I said, all the co-requisite is just a course that's going to help you guys with the regular class. So let me turn this around. I'm Miss Carson, and this is all going to be online. But if you guys ever need any help, please don't be afraid to call me. We can set up a time to meet in person. You can also go to the Academic Skills Lab and get some extra help there, or also use our Upswing online tutoring program. But again, I'm also available anytime you guys need help. I've been teaching out here for 5 years. I teach a lot of the different math classes. I teach the pre-calculus class, algebra, the trig class, Math 110, which is a mathematical measurement class, and then this class. And this is a transferable class, so you should be able to transfer this to a four-year university. And it's usually, most people like this class. It's a little bit different. It's not like your algebra class, a pre-calculus algebra, but it kind of goes over different topics like logic and set number theory and a bunch of different stuff like that. I taught at North Pitt High School before I taught here for about 7 years, and also went to North Pitt High School, so I live in Bethel, but I also live in Martin County still. And I have two children, both girls, a 5-year-old and a 1-year-old. So sometimes, I may not be available, but I try to answer emails, try to get back to you within 24 hours if possible. On the weekends, I usually check the email about once a weekend, usually Saturday night or Sunday afternoon. So just hang on tight, if I don't get to you. That's why I always assign your assignments usually on Thursdays. That's going to be for both classes, the co-requisite and the regular 143 class. Most of your work for 143 is going to be done in a program that we're going to use called My Open Math. You will not have to buy a textbook. It's an open resource. There's a textbook that's listed in the My Open Math, and there's also all these videos that are attached with each of your weekly lessons. Every week you will do a homework assignment, practice assignment, and which is called a reading quiz, and then a test that goes with every chapter. And so you're required to make sure you write your own notes as you go through. So let's just take a look. I'll share this screen. All right, so when you guys log into Moodle, I have the course, it's not open yet, but it should be. So it should say 2021 Spring Math 143-50LS. Okay, everybody should be enrolled in that class. When you open it up, you'll see Start Here. I'm going to put this video up there, so that should be up here too. It's designed to engage students in complex and realistic situations, which goes over mathematical phenomena of quantity, change in relationship, and activity-based assessments. We'll go over a concept of numeracy, proportional reasoning, dimensional analysis, rates of growth, finance, statistics, probabilities, and then mathematics for citizenship. Like I said, the course is going to start February 5th. It's going to be a 12-week class versus a 16-week, so that's why you kind of have a lot of stuff going on in those weeks. That's why I assign a reading quiz, a homework, and a test for every week, because this is a faster paced class. And again, you will not need a textbook. We're going to be using the My Open Math resource. When you first log into the class, the first thing you guys need to make sure you complete is this mandatory enrollment assignment. You need to click on this and then complete this quiz, and this will count as your attendance for the class. If you do not do this by February 12th, you will be dropped from the class. So please make sure you guys get this done first, and then also make sure you read over the syllabus and the instructor interaction plan. Those are both important information you need about the class. And then once you have done all that, you will need to go to week 1. And it says for week 1, please log into My Open Math. And to do that, you need to click on this My Open Math information. This is the website. And then here are the directions. So when you get here, it tells you exactly what to do. Go to My Open Math. And the right hand, you're going to click on the login. And if you're the first time, if you've never used it before, you're going to register as a new student. Click on that. And then you're going to put in your course ID and your enrollment, which is Mat-143, and click sign up. Okay, and then you should be able to log in. I just want to kind of walk you through what it looks like. When you guys log in, this is what it's going to look like for you. Okay. Your first chapter is chapter 1, which is going to be on geometry. And then this is your textbook. It hasn't opened up yet, but it will be open on February 5th. So you'll see a chapter 1 reading quiz. You'll be able to do that, and that's going to be due February 11th. So even though it opens up on Friday, your assignments are always going to be due every Thursday. Then you'll have your homework that goes with it. Again, this is the textbook. You can click on the textbook. It goes with every chapter, and these are some good notes. If you wanted to print these out, you could, or you could just write notes as you go. It always gives you the vocabulary here and then examples underneath it, things for you to try. And then also with every chapter, all of these are videos that you can watch that goes with everything that's in your chapter. So anything, if you need more help on perimeter and area formulas, or of non-standard shapes, and circumference, square roots, Pythagorean theorem, area of a triangle, circle. There are lots and lots of different videos that go with the book if you need extra help. Your reading quiz kind of helps you work through the problems, and if you click on the reading quiz, you can see that you can actually get worked examples for help these and try these as many times as you want. Okay, and so then what do? There's 10 points out of this. So what I do is I take your grade and then I put it back into Moodle. So always make sure you check Moodle for your grades on these. And then you have a homework for every chapter and then also a test. So you need to make sure for every chapter you'll do all 3 of these. For if you are taking the co-requisite course, then you will need to check in. It's another class. It'll be listed here as this 2021 Mat-043. And every week you will be given assignments that kind of go with the assignments that we do in this class. This one's not going to be a My Open Math. You're not going to need a book, though. It's just going to kind of go with this class. So if you guys have any questions on anything, please feel free to contact me or email me. My email's on the syllabus, and also you could do Moodle chat. Moodle chat is listed. You'll see this little button here, and you can chat with me, and I get your messages. Okay, so if you have any questions, again, please contact me. I'll be happy to help you.